All right, so we have lime shrimp and ginger chicken stir fry. So, gonna peel the ginger. Another little trick: use a spoon, and it takes the skin right off the ginger, and it comes off nice and easy. So we peel the ginger, then I'm gonna just chop it up and put it in little slices, and then just chop it all up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw some of that on the chicken. I'm gonna marinate some of the shrimp in there. I have bought some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm just trimming off the excess fat. I have my handy shears. Let's give them a trim on each side, and the fat comes right off. All right. On my salad machine, I'm going to slice up a carrot, and I'm going to slice up some cabbage, which are going to be some vegetables for the stir fry. And this is such a handy little machine, so quick and easy to use. It slices and dices almost everything. Right? Quick and easy. Now, the nice thing about the salad machine is that on the grater, I'm going to get the zest from the lime, because I want to put that on the chicken and on the shrimps. Right? So with the rice here, it's 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. I'm going to put that on the stove on a medium heat. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to boil it for 2 minutes and then put the lid on and shut it off with the vent closed. I have this on just over a medium heat. The pan's nice and hot. The water was beating. I put the chicken thighs right into the pan. Some cracked sea salt right on top of that. I'm going to sprinkle the chopped thyme that we just chopped up. So get the thyme right over there. And the lemon zest. I'm going to leave the lid ajar. I'm going to fry it for about 10 minutes so it starts to get nice and crispy. In a bowl, I got some sesame oil. I got some black tiger shrimp, so I'm going to marinate those with the juice from the lime and some cracked sea salt. We're going to let that marinate for a little bit. The chicken's been cooking for about 10 minutes. You see how nice and crispy brown it is. Before I flip it all over, I'm actually just going to cover the pan with my shallots and ginger, so when I stir it around, those shallots and ginger will be on the bottom, sauteing on the steel. So I'm going to put that all around there, and then what we're going to do is start to turn the chicken. Right? I'm going to add in some other vegetables here, some mushrooms, add a bit of moisture for the mushrooms, and then turn the chicken. Once the chicken's turned, I'm going to put in my French beans and my broccoli florets. I'm going to pour about 2 cups of coconut milk, and I'm going to add some soy sauce. On top of that, I'm going to put in the cabbage and the carrots that I had sliced up, lid on, and wait for the whistle, on that, still over that medium heat. When the whistle goes off, I give it a good stir. I'm going to put those shrimps in now. Mix the shrimps around all throughout the stir fry. Mix it all up nicely. Put the lid on and wait for the whistle to go off again. When the whistle goes off the next time, dinner's done. So there we have it. We have a nice coconut lime shrimp stir fry, right? With coconut milk and fresh rice. And that's what we like to do at our house and at dinner for 2.